Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of our 3-part video series, doing a product review for Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I wanted to continue this video series starting with the Milky White jelly polish that Born Pretty was gracious enough to send me. So I'm going to be doing a milk bath design for you guys today. I am starting off by putting on a base coat and applying this silver nail foil, and I'm doing this onto each nail. And once I get through to this process, we're going to be continuing with the actual white jelly that Born Pretty has sent me. If you end up liking this product, I am going to leave the product link in the description box below, along with my discount code from Born Pretty. As you may know, I am an affiliate with them, so using this code definitely helps me out, and I greatly appreciate your support. So here is the Jelly White Gel Polish, and I'm going to be putting on a thin layer of this onto this pinky nail. I'm going to start off with the pinky nail. As we did with the nail foil, I want to put this layer down. As you can see, it covers fairly nicely. I love the look. It's just the perfect transparent for a jelly nail. So this milk bath design is going to be super easy to do. I've seen other videos where they do a bit of ombre, do a little bit of mixing with top coat. This one just seems ready to go. But like we did with that nail foil, I'm just going to take this pretty pink flower here and I'm just going to stick that on there and give that a cure. And I'm going to follow this technique with all the rest of the nails, and then we'll move on to the next layer. For this next layer now, I am going to be putting on another thin layer of this white jelly gel polish, but I'm not going to go the full way down the nail. I'm going to go a little bit halfway down there just so that it gradually gets that ombre-ish look without having to actually do that. And as you see, it's very translucent. I'm getting a nice perfect cover of a milky white, if that makes any sense. And I'm going to adhere some of this greenery on here, and we're going to cure this, follow the same technique for each nail, and then we're going to do yet another layer onto these nails. So the next layer that we're going to be working on, I'm going to put another layer of the nail foil. So I'm just going to take this white jelly gel polish again, and we're going to be doing another swipe down, but this time I'm going to even go shorter than I did before. And then we're going to stick on some of that silver nail foil. And as before, I'm going to repeat this technique on each of the nails, and we're going to do one final layer of the jelly white gel polish. After that is all done, I'm just going to take some Born Pretty Builder Gel, and I'm going to encapsulate everything that we did in there. This is something that I purchased on my own. Now I gave these nails a good filing and I stuck them onto my natural nails. And now I have to decide whether or not I want to do a gloss finish or a matte finish. So let's just take the pinky nail and put on some top coat here. And let's see what it looks like with a gloss finish. And I'm trying to simulate the looks of Milk, but it's kind of funny because liquid is glossy, but I feel like sometimes Milk is kind of matte. So I'm not gonna know which way really I'm gonna end up liking this design. But after giving this a cure, this is what it looks like as a gloss. It's pretty nice. I think I like it. I like the layers. I like how the tip is more clear than the base, which is exactly what I was looking for. And now I'm going to take some Born Pretty matte coat polish, gel polish, and I'm going to put this on my ring finger, and I just want to see what it's going to look like matte. And I have a feeling it's going to look just as good. So you guys, you're going to have to help me out with this. Let me know if you prefer gloss or matte. And hopefully after this cures, I'm going to have some sort of a feeling as far as if I prefer the gloss or the matte. I really don't know. So this is what it looks like matte next to the gloss. I mean, you know, you can go either way. I really am not sure. I like it matte personally, but I think gloss is the better way to go. I think mainstream would probably prefer it glossy. So I'm just gonna go grab my top coat, and I'm going to be now continuing with each of the nails in a gloss coat. So I'm actually, let me mull it over. I'm just gonna start with the middle finger and just stare at that ring finger for a while. I mean, I could always paint on top of it, I guess, with the matte, but I don't know. But it's seemingly like I'm just gonna put the gloss over the ring finger. I think I just dove into it and I'm sticking to the gloss. And this is the end result, you guys. My milk bath, courtesy of Born Pretty, providing me with the white jelly gel polish. I highly recommend if you want to do this milk bath. It's probably the easiest way to achieve it without having to do some crazy ombreing. It's all layers, you know, and I could have gone more in depth with the layers by putting a base coat in between to add that dimension, but you kind of can see a little bit of that within each layer. But that is it, you guys. Again, I'm going to leave the product link in the description box below along with my discount code. If you use that, I'd greatly appreciate it. It definitely helps me out. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again. We're going to be doing part 3 of our 3-part video series, doing a product review with Born Pretty. I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.